This car is the convertible version of the Empow Leopard R. It not only adopts the sunroof drop structure but also shortens the wheelbase and turns the four-door into a two-door. GAC Trumpchi exhibited the convertible version of the Empow Leopard R at the Shenzhen Jiuzhou Modification Fair. This car has been modified with CAR++, Chejiajia, and replaced with coilover shock absorbers that allow the body stance to be lowered. In particular, the front of the car has not changed much. It basically follows the styling design of Empow Leopard R. Its front face uses a large number of blacked-out kits. The lampshade, middle grille, lower grille and both sides of the car front frame are all smoked, blacked out, very hard, and it creates a sporty visual effect. Looking from the side of the car, there is basically no trace of the Empow Leopard R. It not only removes the roof, but also redesigns the body structure, such as cancelling the rear door, shortening the size and wheelbase. Gave the fuselage a better configuration. This means that A, B/C pillars, cross members, rear fenders and other components of the vehicle have to be demolished and rebuilt, which is a lot of work. In addition, the fact that the front door of the new car has been lengthened by 100 mm and the original rear door has been integrated with the body, the visual effect created is quite smooth and harmonious, and nothing inappropriate is visible. The new car still uses the 5-seater layout, but the rear space is very compact and basically reduced to storage space. If people are sitting in it, it will be very cramped and there will be no driving experience. The rear seat is used to house the convertible mechanism, which is consistent with other soft-top vehicles. At the rear of the car, the shape of the taillights has not changed and remains consistent with the Empow Leopard R. The rear surround is designed with a massive diffuser and a total of 4 exhaust pipes are integrated on both sides. This aims to strengthen the sporty atmosphere of the rear of the car. However, the vehicle does not have a removable rear wing. If there is a rear wing, it could create a kind of downforce when running at top speed, making the body more stable. In general, the visual effect of the car's exterior design is very similar to that of a modified car produced in the original factory. CAR++'s modification principle is to make revolutionary changes while following the original design style. In terms of interior, the center console is covered in suede and the front floor is decorated with carbon fiber panels. The LCD instrument cluster and the central control screen are both 10.25 in size. The vehicle has a built-in ADGO system that supports satellites, navigation, voice recognition control, gesture control, facial recognition, Internet of Vehicles and OTA upgrades, etc. It is also equipped with an 8-speaker Yamaha sound system. In terms of power, the new car is equipped with a 2.0T turbocharged engine with a maximum power of 265 horsepower and a maximum torque of 400 Nm. When paired with an 8-AT transmission, it can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 5.7 seconds.